Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today we're on the sunny boardwalk of Atlantic City, New Jersey. And we're here today to visit Bally's Hotel and Casino. Just a few months ago, this place was owned by Caesars Entertainment, but it was sold to Bally's Corporation, a Rhode Island company, for the price of $25 million. The new company's keeping the name Bally's, of course, but certain assets were held by Caesars and not part of the sale, including the Wild Wild West Casino, which is attached to Bally's. It'll be interesting to see what changes occur with the new ownership in the next year or two. Caesars Entertainment still owns the Bally's in Las Vegas. So come on in with me, let's check this place out, shall we? This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. On the left here, Noodle Village, the Bally's Atlantic City casual dining Asian restaurant. It's conveniently located on the casino floor. It offers fast, friendly service and delicious, authentic Chinese and Vietnamese dishes. Aimed to offer quick yet chic service, authentic Chinese and Vietnamese comfort foods like pho beef noodles, congee, dumplings, and specialty drinks including Vietnamese coffee, pennywort juice, and Tsingtao beer make Noodle Village's menu one of the most unique in the city. And this is AC Jokes Comedy Club and Blue Martini. Both venues are currently closed. And now we're coming upon the main lobby area and hotel registration. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And they're looking a little busy today. And you gotta dig that copper mirrored ceiling. Makes you kind of wonder if the hotel rooms have mirrored ceilings as well. I don't know, if I was the new owners, I wouldn't know what to get rid of first, the ceiling or the floors. And right off the registration area is a Dunkin' Donuts. I don't think there's a Starbucks in the building. This little wing off to the right of Dunkin' Donuts has a lot of Atlantic City history, including a lot of stuff on the Miss America pageant history. And here we have a knick-knack store. For a little bit of this and a little bit of that, some tchotchkes here, some tchotchkelas there. Looks like they're running a little low on nicks, but tons of knacks left over. A quick flight up these short escalators and you'll see that there's really not much up here to see, a jewelry store and some snack places. Let's head back down. Hold on tight. And as we head towards the center of the casino, we find these two really long escalators, which I've spoken about before here at Bally's. I still say these are the longest escalators in Atlantic City, or possibly even New Jersey. It's one long flight up. Others might say no, Ocean Resort has longer escalators. And you can check that video out here on the New York channel. But the thing with the Ocean Resort's escalators is, I don't think they're as long as these, but there's 3 sets that go up, up, and up. So you just keep going higher, higher, and higher. But I think this is the longest continuous escalator around. Hold on really tight. Alright, so on this level you're going to find a couple restaurants, the business meeting rooms, as well as the ballrooms. Directly in front of us, Guy Fieri's Chop House, a unique take on a classic steakhouse. The restaurant features a menu of popular signature dishes with New Jersey flair. You can indulge in Guy's signature dishes including a Java rubbed ribeye chop, filet with roasted garlic and brown butter, spicy Bloody Mary jumbo shrimp cocktail, Jersey Shore clams casino, and a Cape May fried flounder. Complement your meal with a glass of California-sourced wine, a robust craft beer, or spirits from a small batch distillery. The Chop House has a great view of the Atlantic City Boardwalk and the Atlantic Ocean. Check out the NewYorkVegas.com link in the description below. If you're planning a trip to Las Vegas, you could save up to 50% on hotels, restaurants, shows, and attractions. Up next on the right here is Buca di Beppo, and if that name sounds familiar, I believe there's one in Las Vegas in the Excalibur Hotel and Casino. Step foot inside Buca di Beppo and you're transported to a quaint Italian village, proud of its home-style cuisine and warm ambiance. Whether you're celebrating a milestone or just breaking bread with family and friends, you'll feel right at home here. And this is Arturo's. It was an upscale Italian restaurant. It's been out of business for years. I mean, literally years. I spoke to a staff person while I was recording, and they said that there was a new tenant coming in, another Italian restaurant, so fingers crossed, it might be part of this whole new ownership. I don't know, but this restaurant really needs to be opened. It's got a beautiful view, and it's just been vacant for a long time. And now we're back downstairs and we're going to head towards the walkway to the Wild Wild West and the book. This is pretty much the area that Caesars is keeping, so as far as the recent sale, Bally's is taking over everything that we just saw, and from here on in, Caesars is keeping this stuff. And quite frankly, if you ask me, this is the best stuff. Including Harry's Oyster Bar and Seafood, which is the perfect fusion of oyster bar, sports bar, and seafood house, serving up the ocean's freshest fare as well as some select landlocked dishes in a fun, completely relaxed atmosphere with spectacular views of Atlantic City's famed boardwalk. Here at Harry's, you can sit inside or outside. Not only does this tunnel take you to the revamped Wild Wild West, but also Caesars Hotel and Casino as well here on the boardwalk. And here we are at the Wild Wild West. This place used to be really cool and they revamped it and now it's even cooler. I really like this area. The sports book here is huge and you can tell Caesars put a lot of money into this, and as I said earlier, this was not part of the sale and I don't blame them. As we head into the Wild Wild West area, there's lots of places to eat, drink, and gamble here. I've been here at night and it's really active with lots of country music and loud classic rock and roll. Not just slots in this area either, there's table games out here as well. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer, tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. And as you can see here, the theming of the Wild Wild West is fantastic, both inside and if you're out on the boardwalk, it's just as great. Straight ahead, if you make a left, you're out on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. If you make a right, you're in the huge Caesars Atlantic City Hotel and Casino. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.